What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an install of wiper arms and blades on the pickup. Here's the products that I purchased to do this. We got two arms here and two blades here. Cool thing about this truck is both blades are the same size. It takes number 18s. And these arms, the reason why I got these is because the ones on the truck are a little worn down as far as the paint. I could have took them off and probably sanded them and painted them, but I bought those arms a long time ago, so I wanted to just go ahead and put them on. Here's a little close-up of what they look like, the current ones. So yeah, the new ones are painted black and they look really nice. So let's go ahead and put those on. It's really simple. All you're gonna need really is a flathead screwdriver. All you do is just prop up the wiper arm like that, and then right here towards the base of the arm you're gonna see this little knob right here on the side of the arm. Just take your flathead, turn it sideways like that, and now it's open. So once you pull that thing up there, this arm should be able to just pull right off. So let's just give it a little wiggle, and there it goes. It already came off. Okay, time for arm number 2. So we got both arms off. Now let's go ahead and get the new ones out of the package. So if you need wiper arms for your pickup, I'm going to include a link in the description. So all you gotta do is click on it and it'll take you straight to where I bought these wiper arms. And just yeah, you can click it and order it, and makes it pretty simple for you. Okay, so that's what they look like. Brand new, pretty nice. It's gonna make the truck look a little better, a little newer, or just cleaner, however you want to call it. So when installing the new ones, you're going to want to take this and flip it back like so. So with this metal piece opened up, it'll go ahead and let you install it. So there's a little notch right here. It's going to go into the notch there. So it'll be just like this. Line it up. It sat down. Now before you close the arm, just go ahead and close the little metal piece like that, and then it sticks out a little bit, but that's actually fully closed right there, because the arm, when it's like that, it won't come back off. So don't worry if it didn't go all the way back in. That's closed. Okay, so once you've done that, you can go ahead and fold it down. So we're going to do the same exact thing on the next one. Bend this thing back. It's pretty hard, but you can get it. Okay, so that's bent back. And go ahead and open up the little metal thing. This one's kind of hard, so I'm going to take my flathead. There we go. It's opened. And then we're going to want to do the same thing. Just line up the little notch on the spline. Alright, it's on. Push down the little lock again. Now it's locked in. And that one's done also. Alright, so now that I got the arms installed, which literally took like 2 minutes, now I'm going to go ahead and put on the wiper blades. I ended up picking up these ones. They are Rain X brand. They are the beam style, as you see there. Now, like I said before, these are both size 18s. Takes the same size on both sides of the windshield. So on these particular wiper arms, to be able to install them, I was actually having a hard time for a second until I realized that this is like a little door right here, a little gate kind of thing that needs to be opened. And then once that opens, it makes it a lot easier to install it. So let me go and show you what I mean. So with that open, you just take your wiper arm and then you're going to put it in like that. And then just slide it over till it clicks. And then you can go ahead and close the door. And boom, that one's installed. So we're just going to go ahead and repeat the process on the second one. And voila, they're both installed. Looks a lot better. It's a lot darker. 2 new blades and 2 new wiper arms. Alright guys, that concludes this video. Just a little update on the pickup, you know. Try to keep doing things to it, you know, here and there. Alright, thanks for checking out my video. Like I said, I have two links in the description for all the parts I used, so if you need the parts, it makes it easier for you guys to find them. And then another thing, if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. I got more videos like this coming out soon. And please give a like and a share and maybe leave a comment if you feel like it. Alright guys, thanks. Peace out.